Good day everyone, you are welcome to another video in our series of ENVI tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to clip image or subset region of interest in ENVI software. So let's get started. In ENVI, the first thing I'll do is to bring the image and the shapefile of my study area which I want to use to clip. So to do that, come to File and come to Open As. So I want to use Landsat 8 satellite image. So I will click on GeoTIFF with metadata. Then here is my Landsat 8. I'll double click it to open the MTL file. I'll click to select it and click on Open. In few seconds, it will load the multispectral image of Landsat 8. Yes, here is it. So I can zoom to full extent. Now, if for any reason I want to clip any portion of this image, let me show you how to do it. So to do it, come under Tools, come to Region of Interest. So what we want to do is to bring the shapefile of our region of interest that we want to clip. Then come to this vector to ROI, double click it. It will open this file selection. Then click on this open file. Navigate to your folder where you have the shapefile of your study area. In this case, I'm using this very shapefile, Sabongeri. I'll click to select it and click on Open. So you can see it has captured my region of interest. Then I will click on OK. It will bring this convert vector to ROI. So select all records to a single ROI and then leave number of outputs ROI as 1 and check this box which says display results and click on OK. So this will add my region of interest to the image. If I zoom in, you can see the shapefile of my region of interest. So if I want to clip this very region, let me show you how to do it. To do that, come back to the region of interest tool and come to subset data from ROIs. Double click it. It will open this page. So I'll select my multispectral image. Then I'll click on OK. This will open this image. Here I'll select my input ROI, which is this. Then here, mask pixel output of ROI. Click here to choose yes. And mask background value, leave it at 0. Then click on output file name, click on choose. Then navigate to where you want to save it. Let's save it as subset. Then click on open. It has captured that very location. Then click on OK. So what this one does is that it will clip this image based on the region of interest we have specified. It takes just few seconds to a minute. Yes. Let me uncheck the original image. So if I zoom in, you can see that I have successfully subset or clipped my region of interest. However, you can see this black background. Now, how do you remove this black background? Let's hear it in the comment section. How to remove this black background on the image we just subset. But in essence, this is how to subset or clip an image in ENVI software. If you have any comments or observation, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.